Unlock the full potential of your Nikon Z30 by seamlessly transferring your incredible photos and videos to your computer with these essential methods. First up, the tried-and true USB connection. Grab the USB cable that came with your Nikon Z30 on the camera body. Locate the USB port. It's usually under a small flat plug one end of the cable into your camera and the other into any available USB port on your computer. Your computer should recognize it as a removable drive depending on your operating system. A window might pop up asking what you want to do with the files. You can then browse your camera's memory card and copy your photos and videos to your computer like any other file. Alternatively, you can use a memory card reader. This is a fantastic option. If you have a reader that matches your Z30's SD card, simply remove the memory card from your camera, insert it into the card reader, and then plug the card reader into your computer again. Your computer will recognize it as a drive, allowing you to easily transfer your files. For the ultimate convenience, let's talk wireless transfer. Your Nikon Z30 has built-in Wi-Fi. You'll need to download the Nikon SnapBridge app onto your smartphone or tablet. Open SnapBridge and follow the on-screen instructions to pair it with your camera. Once connected, you can browse and download your photos and videos directly from the app to your mobile device, and then even transfer them to your computer from there, or use SnapBridge's own upload options for direct cloud access if you prefer. With these methods, managing your Nikon Z30's files is a breeze, ensuring your memories are safe and ready for editing and sharing. Happy transferring!